This is Anders Larsson, and today Oliver is going to share analytics, 12 plus Notion frameworks to design your niche, course and offer. Before I share this video, let me ask a pressing question. Are you stuck in the learn, action and result triangles learning phase? I'm sure you are probably confused at this point. I will explain. Most of the time you want to learn new things, get new skills and most importantly be successful at them. However, you are stuck in the learning phase and can't put what you have learned to use, or you are using what you have learned in the wrong way. I did things wrong a long time. I sold low-priced ClickBank products and only made about $40 in a year, even though I spent hundreds of dollars in paid advertising. So back in 2019, I received help from someone who really knew how to make money online. She gave me a start in life that I will always be thankful for. And it is a story that I share in all my videos, in many of my videos. This was me before I finally reached out to someone who had real success. When I contacted my sponsor, the woman who introduced me to the system I'm currently using, I finally understood to sell high-ticket affiliate products, that this was key to success, and started doing things the right way. If only I had known earlier, I wouldn't have wasted so much time, effort and money on low-ticket ClickBank products. I got access to this unique training when I made the decision to take the first step. And this is Legendary Marketer, which I joined, and it was the best choice for me. So Legendary Marketer was created by Dave Sharp. It has worked for a lot of people and I believe it will work for you as well. It gives you high impact digital training and you get a personal coach to help you along your journey in affiliate marketing. If you follow me until the end of the video, I will show you how I make money with this system and how to get started. I will also reveal how to get a free value-packed video training with all the information you need and the gold nuggets I received from the training in this system. I will share more about it at the end of the video. But for now, Oliver will talk about a service. First he will read the benefits and then some words from the author, and I hope this is what you are looking for. Anyway, over to you, Oliver.
Thank you, Anders. Establish a unique niche. Make alternative courses unnecessary. The new oil is ideas. Convert your expertise into a marketable solution. You pay the fee, end of story. What you receive has value. Make an irresistible offer to the public. Get the canvas for Course Creator now. A few years ago, in order to make ends meet and study, I would have accepted any position in digital marketing. You name it, SEO, email marketing, web analytics, funnel creation, Facebook advertising. Working with course designers will be a breeze if I can assist large corporations in making money. That's what I believed up until I accepted a new customer to assist them in developing and announcing their course. His course is about a fascinating subject, he has thousands of social media followers, and he has already instructed hundreds of students. However, his trajectory detonates bombs. The low sales made my client upset. I'm humiliated and embarrassed, and I never want to feel that way again. Instead of giving up, though, I reconsidered every aspect of my strategy, method, and expertise. I wanted to improve my client's chances of success by making the process of producing a course and an offer quicker and simpler. In order to learn everything I can about selling courses, coaching programs, and information items, I buy, read, and copy everything I can get my hands on. I collaborate with other professionals at ClassGrowth, Maven, and ClassPert. I invest my own money on coaching, advertisements, and courses. The Course Creator Canvas is a diagram of the method I employ to assist folks such as. Without investing a single dollar in advertising, Keyhigh went from a 5 to 6-figure course launch in less than 6 months. When Ted Sides launched his first course, he sold over $100,000 in just 90 days. A set of frameworks is not what the Course Creator Canvas is. Instead, it's a method you can use right now to download the concepts mulling around in your head and create a course that will sell. You might believe that I am an expert in sales, marketing, or hunting, but I am not. I'm the complete opposite. I'm not particularly excellent at bragging about my achievements. I'm not particularly skilled at selling, either. But I'm adamant that interpersonal relationships are priceless and the best development hack of all. I'm giving these frameworks up for my own gain in order to 1. Get in touch with other builders to continue to hone my process. 2. Expand my capacity to assist more individuals. 3. Persuade a few of you to work with me to package and market your concepts. So if you want to earn money for your ideas rather than your time, or if you want to assist a client or friend in doing the same, go ahead and purchase the Course Creator Canvas. It can be copied, remixed, or ignored. Whatever you do, don't try to sell your ideas online on the go like I did. Alright, over to you, Anders.
Thank you, Oliver. I'm really happy that you shared that with us. Now, if you really want to transform your finances using basic videos like this one, then I want to recommend you the system I'm using. This system gives you the training you need to do well online. It will help you build your inner voice and think like a teacher, so you can start teaching people how to start their own online businesses. Check out the description below this video if you are interested. You will see a link that will direct you to my landing page. On that page, there is a red button that will take you straight to the system I use. Sign up to find out more about this great program, which helps ordinary folks make money online. Anyway, if you got something out of this video, why not click like? This will help me get more visibility on YouTube. Also, if you want more videos like this one, then why not smash the subscribe button and click the bell notification to get notified when I upload a new video. Anyways, take care, stay awesome, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.